Hello everybody! Today we are back with a Mimi's Mystery Surprise Haul. I think this might be the biggest haul we've done yet. I'm so excited. I have a little bit of everything. So let's get started. I'm just gonna start from the front right here. So this is a I Love Bunnies cute figures, Sweet Spring Edition. All right, sounds good to me. Oh, it's a little yellow bunny, a little fur, plastic face, so cute. Little peach tail. Let's see, it looks like we got Finley. And there's the others in the collection. Super cute. Hi, Finley. All right. Set Finley over to the side here. All right, let's see. Oh, we have an original Squishmallow. Squishums. There's 10 figures you can collect. Back here. Oh, let's see. I kind of want a jellyfish. Well, let's see what we got. I need my scissors for this one. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys! That's the exact one I picked! So let's open up this container. Oh! It's a plasticky, like, stress ball kind of thing. Oh! Let's see what the name of our... It looks like it's Olina! Oh my gosh, that's so funny! Love when that happens. Okay, Olina. All right, I'm gonna do this Disney princess bag. There's gonna be a little figurine in here. It looks like this is a little mermaid. Well, let's see. Let's look at the back really quick. Oh yeah, look, it is all the Little Mermaid characters. And 2 rares. Let's see. Should I do a guess again? I'm gonna guess Ursula. Oh, no! But how cute. It's Sebastian! It's a little key fob, so you can put this on your keys or hang it wherever. Very cute. Sebastian. All right. Ooh, I see another Disney thing here. It's a Zoom Zoom. This is Series 2, part of the Disney 100 collection. Oh my, there's a ton back here. So let's just see what we got. Oh my goodness, look! We got some of the 7 Dwarfs of Snow White. Looks like Doc to me there. Doc. And it looks like little Dopey. Whoop. Okay, so it looks like this came with, you know, of course they mine gems. So it comes with a little gem and a little stand here. Cute. And we have Look how small he is. So cute. And Doc. Oh, I love them. Alright, so let's just take a quick little peek at what else is in these packs. Oh my goodness, look at this. There are so many characters in these. Alright, I think we had a series. We had a series 2, so we're gonna look down here. And there it is. Oh look! He fits on there. And then, let's see if I can get this all steady. We put the gem on his back. Very cool. Oh my goodness, there's so many cute ones. Look at this little mermaid one. Very fun. Whoop! Lost his gemstone. Alright. Oh, well, I'm just gonna go for another Disney. The Disney Doorables. Looks like this 62 to collect, so let's see who we got. Oh, sparkling glittery eyes. Oh, Forky! Look at the eyes. Very cute. Oh my goodness, this also has a ton to collect here. So we got from the Toy Story one, it looks like. Forky, there he is. With sparkly eyes. Alright, let's do another. Alright, so another Disney princess bag here. Let's see here, see who we can get. Snow White, Dobie Jasmine, and some surprises. Kind of like, ooh, Dobie. Merida. From Brave. Look at the hair. Beautiful red hair. Also on a fob, so you can hang it wherever you'd like. And a sweet little face. Super cute. Look at the eyes on him though. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. Kitty in my pocket. I think we know why I'm gonna love this. Here's the different kitties to collect. I would be happy with a white kitty. Kind of look like my kitty. Let's see, kitty in my pocket. Oh, it's a beautiful, oh look! Look in this paw. Very cute, also with the furry. His eyes. Let's see if we can see who we got here. Looks like we got Maxwell. He's a Maine Coon. Those are big cats. Meow. Very cool. Maxwell, welcome. All right, so I also found this. I love penguins. They're fuzzy. Ooh. Here's the different ones in the set. Look at these things. Oh my goodness. I want Goldie. Let's see who we got. Well, I mean, if I didn't get Goldie, I'm happy with a silver penguin. This one is not furry. This beautiful silver metallic. Stars in the eyes. I feel like this one might be like a rare, right? Starburst. Look, right next to Goldie. I didn't even see the silver. So pretty. Starburst. All right, let's see. I'm going, let's do this Little Mermaid one. I'm pretty excited about this. Little Mermaid. This came out recently when the movie came out. It's gonna have a little collectible plush inside, 7 to collect. Let's see who we got. How cute is the little shell? Nice little seashell. All right, here we go. Whoop. It is... I honestly have no idea. Must be a character from the movie. Let's look at the back of this. Maybe it's her sister, one of her sisters. That's not good to say. Huh. Oh, it didn't show us. It didn't even have a guide, did it? Well, if you know who this is from the movie, then let me know. I have not yet seen it, but looks like a mermaid to me. Very cute. Okay. Okay. This little one is so cute. This is a Squishbill by Squishmallow. It includes one little Squishmallow. Super tiny. Everyone is obsessed with these things. I just saw this little bitty one. Oh my goodness, look! Look at the wings, so sparkly. I know the big ones usually have a little name on them, but this one doesn't. But this is adorable. Look, it's so small. Look. Hello! I think this is the smallest one I've ever seen. So cute! Oh, so many to choose from. Okay, I'm gonna do... Oh, I wanna do this one. This is a recyclings, and I just thought it was really cute. I'm not really sure what's gonna be inside. It's gonna be a surprise to me too. But it's plastic made fantastic. Packaging made from recycled materials. That's important for the environment. Toy companies just doing good things. Alright, I'm gonna pull it here because I got the cap off the top and I don't want to reveal the surprise too soon. Okay, so look, the package is like a recycling bin, but so cute. So pink in the eyes. Let's see the secrets it holds. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my goodness, look, it's like a little boba tea drink. See the bubbles in there? Some bubble tea. Honeydew flavor. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at the collection. Oh my goodness, they have a ton of these things. So we're right, bubble tea from the Sugar Rush family. Look at that. They have animals, back to school, fashionistas, brunchies, and big spender. The rares are golden trophy, a diamond, or a glowing alien. Interesting. Very cute. Let's put him back in his little bin. Just wheel him on over there. Okay, let's see. I'm so excited about a lot of things. Let's do a mini brands. Series 4. We all love mini brands, mini things. There's 5 surprises in here. And there's ultra rare frozen moment minis, so we have that to hope for. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. First off, we have here some turtle. This is for your car, to wax your car. So that's fun. Maybe a little turtle. Waxing. Ooh, we have some royal gelatin, strawberry flavor. Fun. Oh, then we have some Revlon lip gloss. Can you see that? Let's see if it does not. That is so cute. It's a mini little lip gloss from Revlon. And of course, they gave us some cash. Mini cash. Can't spend it at the store, but it's fun to have. Put all that over here. All right, I'm going for the Care Bear now. So let's see. There are 10 to collect. There's 1 in here. And let's get this baby open. I love that Care Bears are coming back. I've seen so many cute things. All right. Of course, it's in a rainbow. Okay, it's been a while since I've seen the shell, so I might have to look up the name, but look, it's so cute. Green with a kite on his little tummy. So let's see who this is. This is Do Your Best Bear. Makes sense. Oh, Tenderheart, he is my favorite. So here's the other ones you can collect. They're so cute and colorful. Hi! Care Bears. Alright, I'm gonna put Do Your Best Bear back in his rainbow home. Alright, let's see. Okay, guys, I've been really excited about this. The Nightmare Before Christmas! So this is gonna be another figure with a clip on it, Series 6. And here's everyone in the collection. Look at that. 2 exclusives that we won't see. Alright, let's see. Of course, I'm hoping we get Vampire Jack or Santa Sally. We shall see. We got Bat Kid. Oh my goodness, that's so fun. Look at his face. He's not scary. Again, with the clip. I wonder what everyone's doing with these clips. If you guys know, let me know down below in the comments. Hanging them up for display. Alright, Bat Kid. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, let's look at this. So this is the plushie pet. It's very cute. The rare is a golden chick. So let's see who we got. All right. Golden check. Just one time I want to get the rarest of rare ones. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's a turtle. See his little shell? Look at his little hands and his eyes. It's glittery. Oh, and he's a baby. Has his little bottle. Can you hold it? Oh, so cute. All right, let's see who else is in this collection. I am dying. That is adorable. Get that out of the way so we can look at our turtle. All right, let's see. Oh, look, you can sign the adoption certificate. Cool. And here is our little list. We got Shelly! Oh my gosh, guys. Flamingo, the flamingo. Ooh, I wonder if that's the golden chick. These are all adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look! Right on the cover there. Shelly. What is this? It's like a cute little bird. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to get some more of these. So cute! Shelly! Leave Shelly by the shell over there. Alright, let's see. Back here, let's see. So this is Disney's Doorables. It's a squish-a-lot. So I think it's gonna be a little squishy. Oh my gosh, look at the box. Alright, so we have to follow these instructions. It says open me at the door. Get it? Adorable. Alright, let's do it. Open the door. Twist the lid this way. Wait, step 3, open. Okay, first we're gonna open. Okay, now I'm gonna twist the lid. Woo. Knock knock. Who else? Keep twisting. How many? And I guess now we just open. Well, that was fun. I thought it was gonna like pop out with confetti or something. Let's see if I could pop it off the top to get that. Ooh. Really jammed back there. Let's see who we got first. Alright, here it is. Here it is. It is Clocksworth from Beauty and the Beast. The animated clock that helps Belle. So cute. It's very squishy. Kind of feels a little bit softer than like a pencil eraser. But very cute. Oh look. Now we can put him back in his little home. We can put the door back on. And that is adorable. All right. I know you guys want to see this. We have a Hello Kitty plush dangler. Some of the kitties you can collect. 6 in the collection. There they all are. Let's see which Hello Kitty we got today. I love when they're double wrapped. It just increases the suspense. All right, here she comes. We got Sunflower Kitty. Look how pretty she is. The sunflower in her hair, her little dress, her lovely yellow. Also with her little clip. Very cute. Look, her nose is even yellow. Very, very beautiful. All right. I'm gonna do this bigger one here I have. It's a Meow mystery plush. Look, it's like a kitty on the box. I could resist this. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to get this plastic off first here. Made by Bonkers. Alright, let's see. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's a big plush. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, okay, so it has cinnamon sticks on the front. Oh no, cinnamon pie. Let's see. It is adorable. Look at all the details. Oh, maybe it's like a cinnamon bun kitty. With the swirls. All right, I'm gonna hold that there while I get out this little guide here. Oh, Ginger knows I'm talking to another kitty cat. Ginger, you want to see my new kitty? Oh my gosh, guys, I was so right. Wait, was I? Oh no, there is a cinnamon roll cat. Oh, surprise! Look, we got chocolate cake cat. So those are actually chocolate sticks. I see it now, with the swirl up here, like some cake frosting. Okay, that's so funny. There really is a cinnamon roll cat. Oh my gosh, look at this cotton candy cat. Macaroon cat, pancake cat. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me with these? So cute. Litter 3. All right, chocolate cake. Ginger. Look, it kind of looks like Ginger. Got some stripes. Ginger's more orange, but let's see if she'll come play with the kitty a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go for this. I was just trying to be so patient over here, but I found this Hello Kitty and Friends Squishums. So, surprise slow rise foam inside. Interesting. Okay, let's check this out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's see. All right, are we ready? My Melody! Look! Oh my goodness, look. She is so squish. Squish 'em. She'll pop back into place. It'll be beautiful My Melody again. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Let's see, so let's look at the ones to collect here. Of course, Hello Kitty. We got everyone. Ooh, what is this? I see metallic Hello Kitty. Love it. Oh my goodness, no, we're not done. Have Tuxedo Sam. All the favorites. My Melody. Put her with Kitty. Alright, let me take a little bit more to the side here because we have a lot more to open. We need to see all the things. Oh, Shelly, I'm sorry you fell down. Alright guys, I also found this little pack of Sanrio characters. Looks like they're all sleeping. Alright, let's see who we got here. Yeah, so it's pretty much the whole gang. Oh, it slipped out. Oh. Gosh, I might need my scissors to get this out. Looks like we got That's Maru. It's very hard plastic, great collectible for Hello Kitty lovers. Sleeping. I think this is my first figurine of him. Very cute. Alright. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so hard to choose. Alright, let's do this. This is a pint-sized hero from Disney. Feels hard. There's the heroes that could be in this pack. Ooh, I want Tinkerbell or Dumbo. Let's see who we've got. We got Donald Duck! Oh my goodness, look how cute his little body is. Hat on. He's very cute. I'm not gonna embarrass myself and try to do the Donald Duck voice. Save us all that embarrassment. Alright, let's just finish out the Disney here with another Zoom Zoom. So here is who we could have back here. This is going to be a plush, unlike the little collectible figurines. Oh gosh, guys. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go with I wish for Winnie the Pooh. No, this looks like it is Nala. See, there's Simba, and there's Nala. Nala, can you feel the love tonight? So cute as always. Zoom zooms. Alright, Nala. Alright, so this technically is not a surprise because it says it on the top, but we need all the My Little Ponies, am I right? So I got this one, Princess Petals. It's kind of a surprise because we can't see it. Alright, Princess Petals. Well, Princess Petals does not disappoint. Look at her. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize she'd be translucent. That is so cool. Pink. Her eyes are still green. Right there you can see her little symbol. It's very hard. Little musical note. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Princess Petals. There you go, Princess. Okay, So here's something I found. I had never seen this before. It's the cuties. So you can see on the back, they're like little animals with a little plant. There's some more. And I think they said it had some seeds in it. Let's look. This was new to me. Ooh, to blow the surprise. All right, so let's take off the dirt. Oh, sorry, princess. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my gosh. Is this a cow? It'd probably be I think it might be a dog. I'll throw the guide somewhere. In my grill. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we got Valeria. I don't know. I think it's probably a dog. Yeah, definitely with an eye patch. Because look. Now that to me would be maybe a cow. Maybe a pig. Nope, it has little. That's definitely a cow, but so cute. Little pig. I love this. Okay, let's see. So I'm guessing it doesn't have seeds in it, but you can actually put seeds and dirt in this and put it in the ground. And I know I've done that in the garden. It's very fun. Hello! I grew. Cute, cute, cute. Let's pop her out a little bit so we can see her. Okay. Let's see, this one's right here. I'm just gonna grab it. Let's see, this is One Love Pets. Collect them all. Okay, look at that. Let's see what's in here. It's like some llamas, a unicorn. Ooh, we got a unicorn with the color hair, rainbow. Love that. Little squishy. Very cute. I have that over there. Alright, let's see. What do we have left? Let's line up over here. We don't want to forget anybody. Alright, let's do this. Super Mario, super popular. Such a cute movie. These are backpack buddies. There's 9 to collect. So we have all the ooh, gold Mario. That's impressive. I think I want Toad. Or Peach. Let's see who we got. I do love Donkey Kong too, though, so. Ooh, and a surprise. Still happening. Oh my gosh! The second time today, my friends! He calls it. There's Toad. Just like a little hat. So cute. So tiny. Looking with the dangler. Ah! I love that. Alright, let's see. Ooh, what do we have here? We have Happy Fortune World Mini Collectible Plushes, Series 1. Little kitties. Oh, look at this rare. That's intense. Alright, let's see who we got. Little fortune cookie kitties. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look! And the little fortune says happy thoughts, of course. look at this. Love that. So we got panda bow. Happy thoughts. Oh my goodness, there's so many cute things in here. Love that. All right. All right, let's do this princess cup. This is a Disney princess mini collection plush. It's in like this adorable teacup. All right, let's see who's inside. Look, I just love when the packaging is kind of also like a surprise toy. Like, this is so cute, right? All right, let's open it. Oh my goodness, look. I have no idea where this little pig is from. Oh, you know what? Might be the pig from Moana. But it's adorable. Look at the little heart nose upside down. Look. Boop. Boop. The pink ears. Oh no, this could be the pig from Moana. Adorable. Kind of thought we were going to get a Disney princess though in there, but hey. I'm not mad at it. Alright guys, we're down to the last few. I'm gonna go with this one. This is a Miraculous. It's a glitter figure. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright, let me just do a little slice here. There's no pull tab. There we go. Ooh, a little popping noise there. Alright, so there's the characters. Let's see. Oh. The anticipation continues. We got Barkin. Look at this. What is that, legs? Feet or something? This is very cool. Nice. All right. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's do this one. This is a Snugglies Series 2 by Fiesta. Kind of looks like a Tamagotchi. Let's see, there has to be a pull tab on here. All right, I got it. Oh, oh, okay. I don't know, that looks kind of creepy, right? So the tag is on the little device that this is in. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a bag on it. Okay. Oh, okay. It's cute, but come on, was that not like creepy, like through the window? Oh, it's like a little Beanie Baby feeling thing, but it's not a Beanie Baby. What do you guys think this is? Maybe like a beaver? Oh, hedgehog. Well, there's no back spikes. Well, let's just look. Okay, let's see in this collection. Oh, there's really cute things in here. It's a penguin. Wow, these are like an eye, like very exotic creatures. I like that. A mantis shrimp? That's so cool. Wow. Anglerfish? Alright, let's put him back. Let's give him a second chance here. I'm gonna put him back in his doodab. Okay, look. Now that's cute. With the black on it, it's a little creepy. That's really fun. Alright. We are down to our final two. Can you believe it? Alright, so next we have a Gudetama, the Lazy Egg Plush Dangler, Series 2. Here's one black. I like the pizza. Oh, I like all of them. Let's see who we got. Oh, we got the donut. The donut's very cute. Little sprinkles. Oh my gosh, this makes me hungry for a donut. Look. I'm gonna build a wall with little pegs in it. We can just hang all these danglers. Wouldn't that be fun? Alright guys, I have saved something I think is pretty special for last. It's the only one I saw. It is Sailor Moon Series 6 Collectors. Alright guys, I'm pretty pumped up about this. And we got Green Esmeralda. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take a close look here. The green hair. Look at the earrings and the outfit. I love this. Again, this could go on the dangle wall. So cute. Let's just take another look at what could come in the pack. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I do want to collect them all for sure. So hopefully this might just be packaging, but let's make sure. It is, but oh, I love it. I'll try to find some more. Guys, comment below if you love Sailor Moon, if you want to see some more Sailor Moon collectibles. Okay, so I'm going to clean up all this mess and line up our haul. And of course, I'm going to pick my favorites. So let me get it set up. I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything set up here that we've opened today. We got some great stuff. We got some stuff, but everything was fun to open. So the Little Mermaid, I have not seen the brand new movie yet. That's confusing about who that was, but you know, I don't know. I'm excited I got a new Hello Kitty dangler. I don't know if in the past you've seen me open some others. I do not have this one, so that's very exciting. I was really surprised that the My Little Pony was translucent. I love that. It's just very beautiful. What else? Oh, how cute was this little penguin? I do love penguins. All right, for my favorite, oh, wait, I just have to say, and these Zoom Zooms were really cute. The little figurines. I do love the plushies, but that was really fun. Okay, so for my favorite, I'm gonna give it to my new friend, Shelly from Plushie Pets. How cute is Shelly? I love him. The eyes, little bottle, and when I was cleaning up, I found a sticker. I thought that was really fun. This was the first one I've ever opened, so I was excited. I do love this kitty cat though, our chocolate cake kitty cat. You know me, I always go back and forth on my favorite, but today, Shelly, you are the winner. Anyways, guys, comment below if you would like to see anything else surprise open. Give me some ideas of things you want to see. We have a lot more to come. And as always, if you loved our channel, please click that little heart down there and subscribe. And we will see you next time.